Episode 6. Is it the 2006 DVD of Rubber Band? Sorry about that. Is it the 2006 DVD of Rubber Bear 2? Don't watch it. Huh? Who said that? What? Da 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 da. Gaff-Random Toys Adventures VHS 2023 VHS of Gaff-Random Toys Adventures. What are you doing here? Just warning you, do not watch it. Why? Because it has the not Warner. Walt Disney Home Video logo. Are you sure about that? Because in last retakes, it just skipped right to there. Just try yourself. We're bringing the fourth wall again. Yeah. This is an extended song of the features of slip cover. Take it off. Slip covers empty damage. Now open up disc and take the thing out. Glossy, yeah, glossy. Put the disc in. Are you sure about this? You shut up. Yup, that's what I get for being too appropriate for kids. Adult spin-offs are horrible. DVD. Click this. Now let's see how scary it can be. Sorry for the messing in the beginning. Ooh, black screen. What's that sound? No! I told you, Ken the Hat!